And now the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu today asserted that India has a stable, fearless and decisive government which is working towards realizing the big dreams. She said this while addressing the joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the economic survey in both Houses of Parliament, according to which a baseline GDP growth of 6.5% in real terms has been projected in the next financial year. Meanwhile, hopes and aspirations for a people-friendly budget is what the citizens are expecting out of the budget session of the Parliament which began today. The women folk are pinning their hope towards a budget that is pocket-friendly considering the skyrocketing inflation.
सरकार से यही उम्मीद है गैस सिलेंडर, रेशन, घर का चावल, दाल, तेल, मसाला ये सब का दाम कमती हो। बस सरकार से यही गुजारिश है। इतना दाम में हो ही नहीं रहा है, कमाई वही है, दाम बढ़ते जा रहा है, सामान का कहाँ से होगा हम लोग का।
Everything rises up so much that for us middle class it becomes very difficult. Everyday life. Now you see even the vegetables and then food, every item, and the gas, it becomes so costly every time. It is increases not by 10 rupees or 5 rupees, so much increase. So if the price of the gas becomes little less, electricity also, now we middle class, we are dying. So at least if the government can do something, then we can live.